Okay, we're going to try to decipher where the noise is coming from the Corvair. So we're going to do a couple of tests. The first thing we're going to do, the engine that is warmed up. We're going to go start it up with the transmission in neutral. I'm going to gun the engine just so we can get a sound of what it's like when it's not moving. Then a test that was suggested to me by a couple of different people, including Clark's Corvair. I'm going to put the car in drive with my foot on the brake and rev the engine to try to get the sound that it makes while it's under load. And we're going to try to determine whether it's coming from the right side or the left side, and maybe even the top and bottom. So here goes. Hopefully this will be good. Look under the car at the back of the engine.